Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Kaisar Mustafa Bhutta, President, Pakistani American Republican Society. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand at a crossroads, faced with choices that will shape the destiny of our great nation. In times like these, we need a leader with unwavering conviction, a leader who believes in the promise of America and its people. That leader is President Donald J. Trump. Under his leadership, we saw unprecedented economic growth, a resurgence of American industry, and a commitment to putting our citizens first. He fought for the forgotten men and women of his country, ensuring that every American had the opportunity to achieve their dreams. President Donald Trump is a man who doesn't back down from a challenge. He stands up to the political elite, the mainstream media, and the powerful special interests that seek to control our lives. He fights for us, for our families, and for the values that make America the greatest nation on earth. We all remember the strength he displayed on the world stage, negotiating deals that brought jobs back to our shores and ensuring that America was respected again. We saw his dedication to our military, giving our brave men and women the resources they need to keep us safe. We witnessed his relentless pursuit of justice, holding those accountable who sought to undermine our democracy. But most importantly, we felt the hope he inspired in all of us. Donald Trump believes in the potential of every American. He believes in our ability to overcome obstacles, to rise above adversity, and to make this country a beacon of freedom and prosperity for all. Now, more than ever, we need his bold vision and unwavering determination. We need a leader who will stand up for American values, fight for our freedom, and will never ever leave us alone. So, I ask you, my fellow Americans, to stand with me, stand with us. Let us rally behind President Donald Trump and vote to restore the greatness of our nation. Let us vote for a future where every American has the opportunity to succeed, where our children can dream big, and where our country can once again be a shining city on a hill. Vote for President Donald Trump, and together we will make America great again. Your Trump, my Trump, our Trump, Donald Trump, Donald Trump, Donald Trump. Thank you, and God bless you all. God bless America. God bless Pakistan. God bless President Donald Trump.